Indoor TV antennas are perfect for cutting cable costs while enjoying free local channels in high definition. If you want better reception without complicated setups, an indoor antenna is the way to go. In this video, we'll explore the best indoor TV antennas that deliver great picture quality and easy installation. Check the links in the description for more info and updated pricing. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Sarhogy Digital Indoor TV Antenna. The Sarhogy Digital Indoor TV Antenna is designed to help you cut expensive cable bills while still enjoying a wide variety of channels. With access to full free HDTV local channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, FOX, HSN, and more, you can watch news, sitcoms, sports, and kids programs effortlessly. It's perfect for anyone looking for an affordable, high-quality TV viewing experience without monthly subscriptions. Equipped with a powerful signal booster and a built-in smart IC chip, this antenna ensures optimal signal transmission and minimal interference. Its long-range capability, reaching up to 2,700 plus miles, allows you to enjoy crystal-clear channels even far from broadcast towers. Whether you live in a city or the countryside, this antenna guarantees reliable performance and more channel options than traditional indoor antennas. The 360-degree reception feature ensures you capture the strongest signal from any direction. Designed for durability and versatility, the Sarhogy antenna comes with a high-performance 38-foot coaxial cable for flexible placement. At number 4, we have the HIDEMI Indoor TV Antenna. The HIDEMI Indoor TV Antenna lets you enjoy local channels for free, helping you save on expensive cable bills. Equipped with the latest smart IC chip, it optimizes signal transmission and minimizes interference, ensuring clear reception even far from broadcast towers. Supporting HD, 4K, and 8K signals, it delivers crisp, vibrant picture quality for all your favorite shows and sports. This digital antenna offers up to 800 plus miles of range and 360-degree signal reception. Its high-performance 16.5-foot coaxial cable allows flexible placement in bedrooms, living rooms, outdoors, RVs, or tents. Installation takes under a minute. Just connect to your TV's cable-in port, place the antenna in a good spot, and scan for channels to enjoy free TV instantly. Compact, stylish, and versatile, the HIDEMI antenna blends seamlessly into any space. It works with both smart and old TVs and is ideal for indoor or outdoor use, making it a perfect gift for friends, family, or neighbors. At number 3, we have the VGOSITE Indoor-Outdoor Digital TV Antenna. The VGOSITE Indoor-Outdoor Digital TV Antenna allows you to enjoy hundreds of free HD channels, including ABC, CBS, NBC, FOX, and more. Watch news, movies, sports, and your favorite programs without paying for expensive cable subscriptions, making it perfect for budget-conscious households. Equipped with the latest smart IC chip, this HDTV antenna filters out cellular and FM interference while receiving 4K, UHD, and 1080p broadcasts. It delivers crystal-clear picture quality and rich sound, providing access to more free broadcast signals with enhanced gain, range, and frequency performance. With up to 400 miles of long-range reception and a built-in signal amplifier, this digital antenna captures strong signals anywhere in your home. You can place it in living rooms, bedrooms, or even outdoors to enjoy reliable reception and uninterrupted TV entertainment. The antenna comes with an 18-foot high-quality coaxial cable, featuring solid construction for minimal signal loss. Installation is simple. Adjust the antenna for optimal positioning and rescan for channels to enjoy a full range of free TV content. At number 2, we have the Oyned Digital TV Antenna. The Oyned Digital TV Antenna lets you enjoy free local channels without expensive cable bills. It supports ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, Fox, Univision, CW, and more, keeping you updated with news, sports, sitcoms, and children's programs. Perfect for anyone wanting uninterrupted access to favorite shows. With a 1,200 plus mile reception range, this antenna uses an advanced digital signal processing chip and signal booster to deliver clear HD, 4K, and 8K channels. Its 360-degree reception ensures hundreds of channels without pixelation, even far from broadcast towers. Designed for indoor and outdoor use, it features a durable waterproof design and a 33-foot cable for flexible installation. Mounted on walls, windows, desktops, or use outdoors for picnics, RV trips, or yachts, maintaining stable signals in all weather. Easy to install and backed by professional support, the Oyned antenna works with modern and older TVs, making it a practical gift for anyone seeking free, high-quality TV access. At number 1, we have the Fronguld Digital TV Antenna. The Fronguld Digital TV Antenna is designed to provide free access to local channels, helping you avoid costly cable bills. Compatible with ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, Fox, Univision, and more, it ensures you stay updated with news, sports, sitcoms, and children's programs. Perfect for anyone looking for high-quality entertainment without monthly fees. Equipped with the latest smart IC chip and signal booster, this antenna offers long-range reception up to 1,000+ miles. Its advanced signal optimization prevents interference from other sources, delivering clear and reliable HD, 4K, and 1080p channels, even when you are far from broadcast towers. The 360-degree reception design provides strong signals indoors and outdoors, even during bad weather. With a 16.5-foot thick cable, it can be mounted on walls, windows, or desktops to achieve the most stable and powerful reception. Installation is simple and user-friendly. Just connect the antenna and scan for channels. The Fronguld antenna is ideal for modern and older TVs, delivering hundreds of free channels with high-quality signals. Thanks for watching! If you found the perfect indoor TV antenna, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech reviews. Check the description for links and the latest prices. Enjoy crystal clear TV reception without cable bills. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video.